Hello guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the top 5 website builder in 2024. Yes, the top 5 website building platform in 2024. Yes, I know you have actually been wondering what are the best website builder? Which of them can I use to build my website? So you're a business owner, you want to build your website by yourself, or you are an entrepreneur, you want to build your startup by yourself, but you do not know which of the website builder you can make use of to actually fit your need, or which of them is more easier. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about everything about website builder, which is more easier, which is more better, and which is more faster. So without further ado, let's get started. So here are my list of the top 5 website builder you can make use of. So number 1, custom code. Now, although this is not classified as a website builder, but I prefer to call it a website builder because why, you can build your website by yourself with custom code. So custom code can include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, any of the other front-end language that you want to use. That if you want to build a front-end website, which is a website that does not perform more interaction, just a basic or a simple website, like a lawyer website which has to do with portfolio website, a basic startup which has to do give information about your startup or your business. So those are example of what you can use a custom code builder to do. So you can do that yourself, but mind you, this process is actually time consuming and you have to go through the process of learning. So it's not an easy one, but it's what most people actually use. And so I have to classify it as the number one. But as I said before, guys, this is not recommended if you do not know anything about website. This is your first time building website. If you have never in your life seen anything that is relating to coding or how to code, so custom website builder is not for you. So the second on my list, or number 2 on my list, it has to do with WordPress. Yes, a lot of you guys have actually heard of WordPress. If you ask the business owner close to your area, she might probably have heard of WordPress. WordPress is a very good CMS platform that is used to build website. Yes, it is used to build website, interactive website. It is easy to use, easy to customize because of the templates and the layout, and it powers over 42% of the website on the internet. So probably the website you are viewing right now, before you came to YouTube to watch this video, is probably a WordPress website. Yes, most of those blogs you see on the internet when you search for something, they are probably WordPress website. So WordPress is actually easier to when it comes to blogging, when it comes to building of website, custom website. Yes, WordPress is easier. So will I recommend WordPress website for a startup, a portfolio brand, or a business owner or an entrepreneur? Yes, I would. I would recommend WordPress because it is easy to use. Number 3, you have Wix. Wix is a very great platform. I've used the platform. I have a lot of tutorial about it. Wix is great to build your website if you are if you are an entrepreneur or you want to do something very interactive. You can try Wix. I've used them before and I can recommend them. They are the top 3. They are among the top 3 website builder on my list, guys. Yes, the top 3. They are among the top 3 website builder on my list. So number 4 here, guys, you have the Squarespace. Now, Squarespace is actually a great platform, but with Squarespace, you have to pay before you can even enter their platform. Unlike Wix and WordPress, that you can have free version here and there where you can use to play around. Squarespace is just a paid platform that you have to go make your payment and build your website. So if you are looking to practice before launching your website, Squarespace is not recommended. But Squarespace is also a great platform. It can help you build the kind of website you want, the type, the features, the functionalities as a business person that want to build a website with a website builder. So Squarespace is also great. So I think that's number 4. Number 5, the last, I will recommend Shopify. Now, Shopify is mainly used for e-commerce project because a lot of people actually use Shopify to do drop shipping, do e-commerce. Yes, that is what, but that does not mean that is just the what Shopify is made for. But on the other hand, that is what a lot of people use it for. So Shopify is if you want to build an e-commerce brand, so you're a business owner, you want to take your business online. Shopify is also a great way, or Shopify is a great start for you. So it's quite expensive though, but then it's actually okay if you are starting out. So I guess these are the top 5 website builder you need to know in 2024. So these are the top 5 website builder you need to know. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any issue, please comment down below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.